friends! Today I'm going to read you a book, and it's called Donkey's Busy Day. And it's a very special book to me because my cousin Natalie Russell, who lives in Scotland, wrote the story, and illustrated all the pictures in the book. So again, here we go. Donkey's Busy Day. On the inside cover, Natalie drew a little picture of the main character, Donkey, and she also left me a little message that says, "With love, Natalie." Here are the main characters on the farm. So we've got duck, pig, horse, hen, and sheep. And on the other side, we've got goat, goose, cow, and the main character, Donkey. Donkey's Busy Day by Natalie Russell. It was a beautiful day on the farm. Donkey was up bright and early, eager to start another hard day's work. Morning! What? Morning already? He trotted up to the farmhouse to see what jobs the farmer needed him to do. When Donkey arrived, the farmer was nowhere to be found. Then he saw a note. The note read, "Dear Donkey, gone to the seaside for the day. Please could you make sure the farm runs smoothly while I am away? I have made a list of the jobs that need to be done. See you when I get back, the farmer." Beside the note was the farmer's list. It was very long. It read, to do: stack the hay, dig the potato field, milk the cow, gather the eggs, pick the apples, lemons, strawberries, cherries, and blueberries, grind the grain, shear the sheep, press the cheese, water the cauliflowers, harvest the vegetables, potatoes, tomatoes, onions, carrots, peas, parsnips, and cabbages. Donkey was very pleased that the farmer trusted him to take care of the farm. Excellent, he thought. This was a chance to prove himself. Even though he had never been in charge before, he wasn't worried. How hard could it be? "Look at Donkey," said the pig. "Farmer's pet," said the goat. "I'm the farmer's pet," said the goose. But when Donkey told the other animals about the list of jobs, they were not keen. "I'm hungry," said the pig. "I've got a sore foot," said the cow. "Where's the seaside?" said the sheep. "It's not my turn," said the goat. The horse said, "It's too hot." The goose said, "Goose kicked me." "You started it." "I need the toilet," said the chicken. Instead, they made lots of excuses and then ran off into the sunshine. It wasn't quite the reaction Donkey had expected. "I don't need their help anyway," huffed Donkey, and off he trotted, off to the barn to start the first task of the day. By lunchtime, Donkey wasn't getting on as well as he had hoped. "It's not fair. Why should I do all the work?" he grumbled, especially on such a sunny day. Then he had an idea. "What a perfect day for a picnic," announced Donkey. "Oh, yes, it is indeed." "It's a pity we don't have any goodies to fill a picnic basket," he sighed. "Yes, we do. Oh, silly Donkey, there is lots of delicious food all over the farm. I'll pick some strawberries. I'll gather some eggs." "Excellent," Donkey smiled. His plan was starting to work. Suddenly the farm was buzzing with excitement. All the animals were keen to produce something special for the picnic. "Hold still! Ouch! We'll need a blanket. Here are the eggs. How about some tomatoes? Yum, fresh strawberries. I'll press the cheese." Donkey was amazed. He had never seen the animals so busy, and before long everything was ready. What a feast! There was vegetable soup, cheese and tomato sandwiches, and a big bowl of potato salad, strawberry milkshakes, blueberry pancakes, and homemade cherry pie, all served with delicious ice cream. While the animals tucked into their food, Donkey checked the farmer's list. "Excellent work, everyone," said Donkey. "Not only have you made a great picnic, but you have finished all the jobs for the day. And," he added, "since everyone has worked so hard, I have an extra special treat." "A ride on the tractor," said Donkey. "Hooray! Cheap! Cool! Wait! Last one on is a rotten egg. Me first." "All aboard," called Donkey, and he watched proudly as the animals ran to the tractor. They were very excited. But Donkey soon realized that some things never change. "Cow's a rotten egg," said the horse. "My foot's sore," said the cow. "I'm the driver," said the goose. "You drove last time," said the other goose. "I'll tell the farmer," said the chicken. "It's my turn," said the goat. "I want to go to the seaside," said the sheep. "I want another picnic," said the pig. The end. Thanks for listening, friends. Bye.